We are excited to announce our next category. Can we have the next category on the screen? The next category is Sustainable Packaging Company of the Year. And the winner is...
RATTAN Organic Foods Private Limited.
Yes, it's RATTAN Organic Foods Private Limited. So I would request Mr. Karan Singh Tomar and team, please come on the stage to collect the award. And let's give them a huge round of applause. And after receiving the award, please do not go anywhere. And also we would like to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Synnex, for this prestigious award. RATTAN Organic Foods as a brand promoting sustainable organic farming, having our own certified organic farm, certified organic processing unit. This award is dedicated to our all team members, farmers, retailer and distributor, and consumer across the India and overseas too. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to the entire team.